Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this Christmas card making tutorial. This is the cute card we're making. Well, we're not making exactly this one, but the focus of this video is to show you how easy it is sometimes if you're in a hurry just to put a quick card together using our new wonderful ephemera packs. And I really love these packs because they do make instant cute cards. And to be honest, we all need an instant cute card at times. So let's get started. Our card base is real red, so it's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then on the inside I have a piece of basic white cardstock, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10. And we're just going to put this on the inside for our little insert. You can write your message there. And then on the outside here we've got a piece of the Little Bit Festive Designer Series paper, and this actually measures 9.5 centimeters by 13.85. But don't worry, all these measurements will be on the blog post, including the supply list, and you can find the link to that in the description box below. So let's put this on here. There we go. Lovely. Okay. So let's think to find a focal image for our card, and I have here the ephemera packs, so we can try and see what we've got and what we want to use, what would look good. Let's see, maybe that, or we could use this. That's quite pretty. That looks nice. Let's have a look. Let's see what else we've got. Let's see. We could use the deer. Not in shot, sorry. We could use the deer. Could use the drum set as well, or the stocking. Let's have a look. I've poked out quite a few pieces already. You could see here the teddy bear. We've got a Christmas tree. We've got a line of trees. Got this big blue bow. Got a poinsettia we could use. Ice skates. Could use this as well. Let's see what this is like. It's a bit, doesn't do it for me, not today anyway. Let's go back to this. I like the circle, I like the contrasting colours. And then we have a little bit of foliage out the back there. Let's see what else we could add to it. A candy cane. That's too similar to the background. Let's have a look at our whoopsie daisy. You can see you've got so many sentiments here. I mean, so many pieces here. You just wouldn't know where to start or where to end. You just got to make tons of cards from this. Yeah, I like that as well. So let's see whether we stick with that or not. Let's have a look at our sentiments. So you've got some gold outline ones, and then you've got these. So let's take this away for a minute and then just see. We've got thinking of you, peace on earth, holly jolly, holiday wishes. Better together from the North Pole. That would be okay. Well, I don't like this bit. I could chop that off. Winter wishes. You could also do something here. What do you think? What would you use? So I played about off camera and I think I'm going to stick with this. So let's stick everything down. And I think I'm going to pop up my sentiments. Firstly, I'm going to take off this fishtail banner because I don't want the same red and white stripes. I just want the green. So don't be afraid to manipulate your die cuts as well. And then we're just going to have fun with our dimensionals. Okay. I'm going to put this one up here. It says Happy Christmas. And then this circle I'm just going to stick down. But I'm not going to put glue all the way to the edge so that I can tuck stuff in if I need to. So, I'm going to put that in the centre. I love this little house in the woods. You know, it reminds me almost of Laura Ingalls in the woods of Wisconsin. Little house in the big woods. That's what I imagined her house to look like. A little log cabin. Not the later ones when they moved across to Dakota and places, but where she was born in. So let's see here. We're going to put down, I found this lovely bells. And I'm going to just put some glue. I'm going to have the bells like this, but I didn't want the red bow. I wanted a bigger bow, so I'm actually going to pop this up on some dimensionals, but I'm going to use the mini dimensionals, or the baby ones, as I tend to call them. Okay. Get the backings off, and I'm just going to use this to pretty much cover the bow that was there. That's there already, so you just see a bit of it peeking out like that. And then I've got my sentiment here. It says from the North Pole. Let's see if I can pull this up a bit without ruining everything. Thanks. I'll try and get this straight. Don't like that, so that looks better. Sorry I was out of shot there. Get rid of these dimensional backings, and then we're just going to do a little bit of embellishing with some gold sequins, I think. And we'll be done. And it's a simple card, especially if you don't spend too much time faffing about your placement of everything, unlike me. And I'm going to go with the gold again. And I'm going to stick to the sort of visual triangle, the visual diagonal that's going this way. So just like that. Okay, so there are your two cards using the joyful images and joyful sayings ephemera packs. So I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you want any more information on the projects, as I said, you'll find it all on the blog post, and you can find the links and all my social media links in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.